Right, the next lot are all the similar items. These are catalogues. Oh, I do love to pore over a catalogue.
Do you?
I do, I really do. But I have a
it?
little saying. I'm quite proud of this.
Yeah.
Pin it and bin it.
Pin it and bin it. Pin it.
Pinterest.
Oh.
I love Pinterest. So
Okay.
normally, I haven't had time to do this, but I would go through this. Anything that I like, I put on my Pinterest board. It's almost like buying it. I don't need to buy it once I've pinned it.
So is that an action to take?
Yeah, and that's something I quite enjoy doing. So I've got a few of those I need to go through. So those three I would like to go through. So they're an action, aren't they? So they go there.
Yeah.